Hey Sam, what you doing?
Good.
Yeah, you're loading up blender bottles, right? This is what happens when mom and dad are doing all Keto Chow, and then a whole bunch of the kids keep on drinking Keto Chow. We just did meal prep. What was it? Was it yesterday or the day before?
Yesterday I made like 15 or 12. Maybe it was the day before.
Yeah, it was the day before. But now we're having to make some more because we're out. So, yeehaw. So, and we're doing a couple with cream because it goes much better in the ice cream maker. And I want to have that for breakfast and lunch.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Anyway. Well, hey everybody. We're here on, I think it's day 5. Because Monday was day 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yep, day 5. We're doing the 100, not the 100, the 7 days, the 1 week of Keto Chow challenge that, along with Joe and Rachel from Two Crazy Ketos. So, yeah, that's what we've been doing. I made my chocolate into a big bowl of ice cream today using the ice cream maker.
I also did that. This is how much I have left.
Yep. So
it's the same amount of Keto Chow that's in a blender bottle. It just looks so huge. So yesterday we did the same thing with root beer float, and it ended up I was like way more full than normal, which is funny because it's exactly the same thing.
It's exactly. I mean, we're literally taking a blender bottle and dumping it into the ice cream maker, and that's
we're not adding anything else. It's just the same thing, and yet it was so much more filling. Maybe because we're using a spoon. I don't know.
Yep.
Something awesome.
Yep, something awesome.
Yeah.
So, what do we got? We got anything weird going on today?
So today
we bought a sofa for our office.
We bought a sofa. It's redder than I like, so I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna get over it because it doesn't matter. It's not that big a deal. Even though my heart is hurting because it's not what I wanted. It doesn't matter.
Yep.
Oh, I want to say something about last night. So last night, we've been checking our ketones at night, except Chris keeps forgetting the last
Somebody has. I haven't been.
We meant to. I have done it awesomely.
I can check mine right now.
Yeah. But
grab my thing.
Last night we went swimming. Where is it?
No.
Okay. I want to just give this to you.
Okay.
We went swimming with the kids to a public pool, and it was gross.
You only say that because when you walked in, you stepped on a Band-Aid.
I stepped on a Band-Aid. Anyway, it was like cold and chlorine-y and stinky, and it'd been a long time since I've been to a public pool. Usually we just go.
I might have to use my left hand because my right hand because my left hand is cold from holding
all the ice cream.
Yeah.
Do you want me to poke you? I can do it.
No, it's not. No, it's just. I guess.
But you're right-handed, so.
We'll see.
Anyway, we were at a public pool and we were swimming, and it was great fun because the kids wanted to do it, and yeah. We got home, and I had eaten. So I had the root beer float Keto Chow for lunch at like, I don't know, 2 o'clock or something. And then we had dinner, which was orange cream with butter for me. I don't know what you had. What did you have?
I'm trying to remember.
Anyway, and that was like a regular dinner time was like 5:30 or something like that. So then we went swimming at like 7 and got home at 8:30. So I checked my ketones and blood at 9. Oh, 1.2. There you go. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and my glucose was 101, and I hadn't had anything else to eat but that Keto Chow. I had a breakfast Keto Chow too, but it wasn't like late, so I was surprised that my blood glucose was not high. So I wondered if I had to do with the swimming, and Chris was like, "No, probably not." Like
88 on my glucose.
I thought it was weird, but my ketones were 0.3. So I thought that was weird too. I've had it should have been higher.
Yeah.
But I had cream, and it was the first time I had cream this week.
Cream instead of butter.
Instead of butter, so that could have been the reason. But I couldn't figure out.
This just looks preposterous.
Yeah, it really does. The side that you're eating off of looks better for the camera. Here, turn that around. There you go. That looks better. It still looks like a mountain of mud. It tastes better though. I think I like the root beer float, but I like the chocolate better.
I'm gonna do banana later today.
So anyway, but I did wake up and I was down 0.4 pounds again, and then so that was that. Did you weigh yourself? Have you weighed yourself this whole time?
I was up 0.4 from yesterday, but I'm trying to remember what I'm down total.
Something. It's interesting because we're not really eating that different than normal. It's just, I think, because there's no snacking or anything in between, that it's really easy to keep the carbs like super low. And so even though I only had 0.3, like I feel really good. And and I'm sure it'll go higher today because anyway, it'll be interesting to see. One thing I wanted to talk about for a second, do you mind, is OMAD. Somebody on our Facebook support group last night was saying how could they do OMAD with shakes. They wanted to just have 2 shakes. Well, if you're going to do OMAD and not have anything else but shakes, you need to have 3 shakes, so you can mix them all together and just have a really, really thick something. Or you can do them over a small period of time, like 2 or 3 hour window. The problem is with that much liquid, you get full really fast, so it would be hard to drink that much. It's the vitamins and nutrients that you need. That's the problem. So I suggested to the person to have a steak and an avocado and a shake. Like, have an OMAD meal and incorporate your shake into it instead of trying to have 3 shakes at one time. That's just my opinion. So, do you have an opinion about that?
So when I've done 1 meal a day or time restricted feeding or intermittent fasting, as it's improperly called, but we won't get into that. I've usually done it where I've done a shake, waited an hour, a shake, waited an hour, and then a shake. And that's, for me, that's actually worked out really good. I can down them. In a drink form, I can just down them easily. In this form, not so much.
No way. It's so funny because it's like the same thing.
It's literally exactly the same thing. But yeah, well, just remember that each Keto Chow gives you 1/3 of your daily nutrients. So if you're getting the other 2/3 from steaks and avocados and stuff, yeah, that's great. That works out just fine. So.
Can't eat with your mouth full. You can't talk with your mouth full. Huh.
Nope.
Look at this. Turn your head. Can you see this huge line? He decided to drop a sofa on his head.
I caught the box that sofa was in with my face.
Yeah, it's huge. It looks like a big old sideburn.
I was like,
that hurt.
Brandon's like, you're not bleeding. I'm like, okay.
Keep going. Keep moving. Keep moving forward.
Well, anyway, okay.
We're just still trying to get things put together at the warehouse.
Yep. But yeah, doing the meals of just Keto Chow, it's been just fine.
Yeah.
We've been having a lot of leftovers at the house with the kids.
Yeah, the kids are needing some food.
But all right, we'll catch you all later.